Hello everyone, today we have a 2014 Chrysler Town and Country Touring. Let's have a 3.6 liter V6. Super clean. I'm going to go ahead and close this up so I can take you for a tour. It does have alloy wheels and Pirelli tires. See that it seats 7, and this rear seat folds down and can also come out, and you have a lot of stowage there in the bottom. You can either manually operate this door, or you can have it close. Okay, you see that it has black leather interior. Super nice and clean. It also has your entertainment center right here and right here, both screens. Go ahead and give you a shot of the VIN. The trim has kind of a wood look to it, and I have to say these are the most comfortable minivan seats I've ever sat in. It's almost like sitting on a sofa. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this down so you can hear me better. Right now we've got our lights on, so we're going to turn those to auto so you can see all the displays better. You see that it has 106,159 miles on this vehicle. Here's your push to talk, and you also have your cruise control. This can also control your stereo. So you see that you have AM, FM, satellite, and you'll also have Bluetooth. So you can connect your phone to it. And then this also has your disc so that you can use your entertainment center. Over here to your menu, and you can see your other setups. And this is where I show you the backup camera. All right, going to audio, you can make all those adjustments. You also have a hard drive. All right, so
you connect phone ready.
Yeah, we're going to let you connect your phone to it, so we'll go ahead and close out of that and cancel it. You also have touchscreen with this. You've got your clock, your comfort as well, your econ, 115 power. Come down here is your cup holders and your additional power supplies down there. Then you got more cup holders and more stowage. And as you come up here, you've got this little guy right here that allows you to see what's going on in the back. And you can open any of the doors from right here. So this about wraps it up for this little minivan. There was an accident reported on the Carfax from 2017. It's reported for right here in this door area. Couldn't find any evidence of it, so wanted to disclose that. It has passed our 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com.